Welcome to VLC update video June 2019.
It's old version 3.0.6.
VLC update software download steps.
VLC update version all Windows operating system 32-bit download link is description.
Copy this link.
Connect your network.
Paste and browse.
Click follow latest update newses.
I am using direct download link.
Click allow. All mobile phone users.
Click skip ad.
Wait few seconds.
It's VLC update 32-bit software.
Download.
Download one on Indian server.
Download.
Wait few seconds.
It's download VLC update 32-bit software.
After download complete VLC update 32-bit software.
Download file size is 38.8 MB.
Next.
VLC update version all Windows operating system 64-bit download link is description.
Copy this link.
Paste and browse.
Click follow latest update newses.
I am using direct download link.
Click skip ad.
Wait few seconds.
It's VLC update 64-bit software.
Download.
Download one on Indian server.
Download.
Wait few seconds.
It's download VLC update 64-bit software.
After download, complete VLC update 64-bit software.
Download file size is 40.0 MB.
Next.
Installation steps.
First, you see your operating system type.
My system type is 64-bit operating system and 64-bit based processor.
Then, I install VLC update 64-bit software.
Run as administrator.
Disconnect your network.
Next.
Next.
Wait 1 to 3 minutes.
Wait 1 to 3 minutes.
Finish.
It's update on 3.0.7 version.
Same steps on Windows 32-bit operating system.
Enjoy this video.
Link powered by CVD in Wanted Warrior Entertainment Group.